He's taking scrapbook pictures again. Yes.
This time we're doing video.
Wow.
You're a movie star.
You're
Well,
gonna
can you
be
get a little faster?
right.
I don't want to be here all day.
I got your better side, Jeff.
Yep, that's my better side.
That's the more,
That's the evangelical Jeff, right?
There you go.
If you only knew.
How do you know we don't?
Like, should I get the what you call butters on here? But
You need a bigger cross piece.
higher.
I gotta bring another one up. Put it on that scaffold. No, we're not gonna do this. Okay.
Actually accomplishing something.
okay. This is a little bit heavy. On your end, this is a little bit heavy, okay? But not too much. There it is.
Just like that. Up, down. Okay, I'm going to pick it up a little bit.
Yeah, come back, yeah.
What? Okay.
You're just going to grab that.
Lift it up. Should be good.
Everybody standing underneath it.
Back to us. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. I got it. I'm good.
Back to us. Ready?
Yeah.
You guys got it. Oh, no problem.
We're set.
Okay.
Can we tip it down?
Yep.
Is there enough room to tip it down?
There's enough room.
Yep, there's your number.
There it is.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay!
All right, you can pull back.
Wow. Oh, no, not yet.
Let's put these on. Get that big thing out, carry this downstairs myself.
Table.
Sure?
Table.
Good. It's not too
Hey,
bad.
I know that.
Do we have
Alright.
Do we have any more speakers?
Right here, I'll carry it down the steps.
Mike's got the other one.
Well, there's no dimensions on this. This is like what they give me in a part-time job.
Okay.
It's like, oh, I need this. Well,
It's tall.
What else? What else? Oh,
Tall.
hold on 1 second.
35 to stand up.
That
So if
cover.
I'm sitting on the Hey, let the fun begin. So this,
Kyle, I got some more stuff for you.
they are sitting on the chair, the amp sitting on the other.
You're clear to go down.
I'm all of that. They're sitting on that chair right there. And I have one like this.
So, what do you want me to do? Do we start with them up there? Or you
I'll do this one.
and then I have those connectors. And, oh, so you need that bigger one.
Oh, you got the green one.
25 pin? So I can solder that,
But that has to get over.
Okay, okay.
I think he said he was already.
He was working on it. So I can help him set up up there. See what he wants.
So that you can see and still see.
Okay.
And then it's just a book.